Hi there, students. Creepy. Okay, creepy is an adjective that means something that makes you feel uncomfortable, something that makes you feel nervous or uneasy, as if you've got insects crawling on your skin. You could use it to describe a person who is awkward, who is strange, who stares at you, who who mm, um, who does boundary crossing behavior, or a dark place that feels unsafe is creepy. So let's see, a creep. A creep is creepy. It describes somebody who stares too long, who stands too close, somebody who acts in a way that feels wrong or unsafe. um, a place or a thing. It describes an empty, dark house or an old doll or shadows that make you feel like you're being watched. To have the creeps, a tingy, cold feeling of quiet panic. So, creep. I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. So, creepy. Something that produces a sensation of uneasiness, a creepy story, the creepy kids next door, something that produces nervous, shivery apprehension, causing unpleasant feelings or of fear or unease, something that's inappropriate. Um, So it can describe actions that are annoying or unpleasant or associated with people who show unsettling traits or behavior. A person who stares without speaking may be considered creepy. A horror story that evokes fear can be described as creepy. This adjective creepy was first used in 1831. I think this adjective creepy comes from Charles Dickens. Um, so creepy, it's something that's um, unpleasant. It's frightening. So certain traits or hobbies make people seem creepy to others. An interest in horror or the macabre might sound creepy. Um, or some people give you the creep. It's some sort of uncanny but negative uncanny, a negatively uncanny supernatural feeling. Some dolls can be described as creepy. The adjective creepy, refers to a feeling of the creeping of the flesh. That's it. David Copperfield, Charles Dickens, who first uh, popularized this term. So creepiness, something that's creepy, something that makes you feel scared or nervous. To have the creeps. There's something creepy about the way he stares at people without blinking. The old abandoned house at the end of the street has a creepy vibe. I got a creepy feeling that someone was following me down a dark alley. She told a creepy ghost story around the campfire. A box of old hairless dolls in the basement seemed extremely creepy. There's something creepy about the way that man is staring at us from across the street. She thought his constant unblinking smile during the serious meeting was seriously creepy. So, a creepy horror story, a creepy old man, something that makes you feel nervous and frightened. Uh, she married this creepy guy called Dennis. So creepy, upsetting. I don't like walking down that creepy alley at night. The old abandoned house had a creepy atmosphere. The horror film was filled with creepy images and eerie sounds. So this comes from the word creep, to move silently, to move so that no one can hear you. From Old English, kreopan, to creep or to crawl. Proto-Germanic krupana, to twist or to creep. So creepy, creep. Formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. Frequency of use, medium to high frequency. So creepy, creep. Bye for now.